This is the Redmi A1 I have in front of me, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can check the available amount of random access memory you have on this device. So first of all, we need to somehow activate the developer options or reveal them. In order to do that, you gotta launch settings, then enter the about phone category, and at the very bottom tap on the build number continuously like so until you'll get the you are now a developer message. Then enter the system category. In here you'll find the actual developer options section, and once at the developer settings page, at the very top you'll see not only how much RAM you have in general, but also how much of it is currently in use, or not currently, actually averagely in use. Is in use in average, should I rather say. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.